our long tones and half notes today, and we're just going to do concert F descending, and we're going to do F descending A, 1A, and 1C. We're not going to do 1B or 1D. So we're going to do 1A and 1C. Brass on mouthpiece, please. Here we go. F descending, 1A, 1C. And 1, 2, ready. C, 1, 2, ready. Now at this point, brass, put your mouthpiece back in, go back to the beginning of this video and do those three again now on your instrument. Woodwinds, you're going to move forward. Alright, for Thursday on these warm-up sets, woodwinds, what you're going to do is you are going to do tongue 1, slur 2, tongue 1. So what you get is T, 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 T. So what you actually end up with is like tongue 1, slur 2, tongue 2, slur 2, tongue 2, slur 2, tongue 2, like because it gets offset a little bit, okay? But if you look at each group of 4, it's tongue, slur, tongue, tongue, slur, tongue, tongue, okay? Brass, you do exactly what you've done for the whole week. No change for you. Here we go. Set 1, option 4. 1, 2, ready. your page turn if you need to. And now we're on set 3, option 4 for the woodwinds. Brass, you're on set 2. And then woodwinds, same pattern, same pattern. Here we go. 1 and 2 and ready. Friday sequence. If you'd like, you can do them all slurred. We'll change the metronome and we'll do our concert F articulation drill. Okay, 1 and 2 and articulations ready. Go ahead and pause it, turn to your scales. Concert B flat, we're going to play it in whole notes and then we're going to play it in half notes. So we're going to play the concert B flat scale. Concert B flat, here we go. And 1, 2, whole notes. Now let's play it melodically. 2, ready. At this point, as usual, if you want to just review like clarinets and saxes, no, just pretty much clarinets actually. Clarinets, if you want to review the double octave. And you just do that. Go on to concert E flat, and we're going to do the same thing to build our high range in the brass, since we didn't do all of our long tones today. Whole notes on the concert E flat scale, page 28. 1, 2, whole notes, and ready. Same idea. Woodwinds are actually, woodwinds primarily. If you want to work on the double scale, you can. Clarinets and saxes, you would start lower than that. So yeah, saxes and clarinets for sure. Woodwinds, flutes have a low E flat. Okay, and then concert F. We're going to do the whole notes on this one differently because we didn't do long tone 1B, and we're going to play this one descending first. So we're going to go start high and go low and whole notes, then come back up, and then play the scale normally. Concert F scale, 1, 2, ready. Now start on the first note. So play it the way it's written, starting low. Now, brass, you've had a chance to get your lip down there, right? 1, 2, ready. And as always, you can pause and obviously at a speed that you're comfortable with. That's your scale sequence for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. All right, today you're going to record this and try to do it in a cappella, or at least get it uploaded to a cappella, and then you can get that submitted to Seesaw, hopefully. Again, this week has been about learning to use the app more than anything else, and trying to have some fun with it. I didn't point out key signature at all yesterday. We're in E flat, which means that C instruments, you have to worry about adding the A flat. So if it sounded weird yesterday, it's because you weren't playing A flats, you were playing A naturals. B flat instruments, that's clarinets and trumpets, you need to add a B flat, first valve, or first finger, right? And then saxes, it's F naturals, and then finally low brass, also A flats, horns, E flats. So that's one thing I left out. So with today's session, all you're going to do is you're going to play through the top line and the bottom line on their own a couple of times. So on the video today, I'm just going to have those lines play for you just once each. And then if you practice them a couple more times and then open the acapella app and record the two of them. You have to be able to play both of them, remember, because if you close the acapella app after you've only recorded half, it deletes it. So you've got to be able to play both of them when you open the app. All right, so this is just going to be a quick review session on the two lines that you learned yesterday, and then you just go ahead and open acapella and try recording them. All right, so this is the top line, or the first part of Orally. 1, 2, ready. All right, here's the bottom line. 1, 2, bottom line, and so if you need to run over those one more time, go ahead and hit them again, and then try to record them. Remember, Bluetooth is bad. It's helpful if you count off in one of the videos, in the first video that record, and that way you can hear the count off to play with it on the second video that you record. I'm excited to see what you guys get turned in. It's going to be really, really cool.